So much for a tropical getaway mid-travels. Guys, I've had the most stressful morning. I couldn't find where any of my pants and socks were, couldn't find my towel, and everything was just everywhere. It's gonna rain every single day. What is this? I am meant to be in an island enjoying nice warm weather in South Korea, and we've come during their tropical storm. This isn't what you wear for a tropical holiday. Also, Ewan has my makeup bag, so now I have no makeup on and I look like a slug. So we've gone into a convenience store. Haul time. Ice. Latte. And we both got the exact same ramen. We've got this sesame ramen. So we've just finished having our ramens. I wasn't really feeling like finishing the broth. So I was like, right, I'll just go and put all my stuff away and then ask him where I can pour the liquid out. Anyway, I'm putting my stuff away and he comes and he's like, no! I think he was in a Iraqi mood today. You know what? Fair enough. The weather is absolutely horrific. Just because of the weather, like, we can't even do any of the really nice hikes or anything. Because, like, what is there to view? Nothing. It's foggy and misty. Got our cash and now we're waiting on the bus. We're gonna go to the temples first today. This is our journey. Made it to our first stop. There's some really pretty flowers here. I'll show you. Oh my god, that car almost hit me. Also, something that I've noticed is there's so much wood lice here. Like, all over the floor is just like all these like little wood lice, and it's really freaking me out.
I think they're cute.
Said no one ever. Off the bus! We're getting some Mackies now. Why was it taking... What are you feeling?
Hungry.
The Shanghai burger.
There's no way of it.
Medium.
Opium.
The food's arrived.
Yum yum yum. Pinch.
What have you done to my hair?
That wasn't me, honey.
So, we've made it to the botanical garden, guys. It smells so nice in the blossom garden. We're gonna go into this cave. And we go. We're now at the waterfalls. We've paid for our entry, which is like, it was like 2,000 per person, so that's only like £1. What?
Bravo.
You even got a Fanta slushie. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. That's great.
Do some rock stacking because people have stacked rocks here. We have our base rock, so now we need to find 3 or 4 rocks stacked on top. There's 1 rock. Okay. Oh my god, okay.
Oh.
This Pokeball looks insane. got a sauce with it too. And then here's my coconut. I got a coconut and mango smoothie. That's so cute. It's really dark, but it's taste test time. Cheers. Oh yeah.
It's not even a real coconut.
Oh yeah. Good morning, guys. We are going to the folk villages today. So that's literally where we're headed. We're gonna have to go back to the Grumpy Man corner shop to get food. I'm kind of scared. Our hostel dog is coming with us. She's followed us the whole way here. Say hi to the vlog. Got some brekkie. I got bibimbap and Ewan got the same as last night. Not bibimbap, sorry, onigiri. Another cough. We're at the bus stop waiting for the bus now. I'm in little boy mode again because it's windy. So the vibes are vibing today. The journey to get to this village is like 3 hours, but we've made it off the bus and we're just walking to the village now. Damn.
Bro said grubby nuts.
Ewan just got a 1 litre iced chocolate shake. Yeah. That is so bloody huge. We made it to the iconic rock Dolge Sea Stack, I think it's called. Really cool. The sun was like perf, so our pictures looked so good. It's the end of the rainbow right there. Hey guys, we're getting some lunch because we had a really lazy like morning / afternoon, but we got this like green Jeju yuzu green tea thing to try instead of a coffee. It's very good. We got some ramens. I got the same one as always, and then Ewan got a new one to try. We've got some garlic bread and salt bread and some chocolate thing. I think that is garlic bread though. It smells good. We're exploring the rocky beach, which is like literally just outside the cafe. Oh my gosh, it's so uneven though. There's 2 of the same cafes, by the way. They are both different vibes, but I'm pretty sure they're the same like brand. That's the one that we went to.
You know the picture of the cat with the logged in face? That's actually just me right now. That's how I'd be feeling.
Good morning! We're going orange picking today. I'm so excited. We've been waiting for this the whole time we're here. And today's actually a nice day. Don't be shocked, guys. But, oh. Almost lost my ramen.
Sit outside, it's nice.
Got myself a mega pint of peach iced tea. It's the kind of grade they speak about in the Bible. It's like bigger than my head. We're gonna get an Uber to the orange farm because the bus would take us like 2 hours to get there and it goes all the way like a different route, and it's only like a 15-minute drive. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Maybe we could take them and offer them to the bucket people. Well,
Finished our orange juice syrup cooking class. It was so fun. We have our little boxes.
450 grams of sugar in it.
Yeah, I know.
Your teeth are gonna fall out.
Overall, it was such a fun experience. It's so cute, and the lady was just so nice. So yeah, we're gonna head to some picture forest area. Look how many farmers there are. We've made it to that Sanyang Park. So we're just gonna get a ticket. This is like a cute little map that they give you. I do, but I'm... Oh, I'm twisting. Wait, should I do a little lay down moment? You in? You're gonna break it. Treated ourselves to a delectable scran at McDonald's. McCrispy Deluxe, Fanta, fries, and mozzarella dippers, and they were... The forest was really nice, super chill. Yeah, we still have our little boxes of juice or syrup. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but we're gonna do something. Guys, I have not been on the ball today. There's literally nothing we can do today. It's terrible weather, so we're just chilling. It's our last day anyway. We've got ramens for dinner. Yeah.